It took Mabuza some time before composing himself to answer the question, but first he got defensive.
I can't be told by people from New York about what is happening in South Africa where I live.
But the opposition persisted until Mabuza revealed how he improved education in Mpumalanga.
To date, from the time I left that province, I've closed 500 farm schools. And I've built state-of-the-art boarding schools.
Lawmakers felt his answers were inadequate and evasive, and the EFF vented its anger on Deputy Speaker Lichisa Tsinodi, whom they felt was defending Mabuza.
Honorable member, please stand up. Honorable member, withdraw that. Withdraw that. Withdraw that, honorable member.
What? What must I withdraw?
Honorable member, what you have just said, withdraw it.
The Deputy President must
honorable
answer.
Member, if you don't want to withdraw what you said,
tell me.
If you don't want to, you leave the house.
Oh, I can leave the house.
Yes, do so.
Yeah,
please quickly. Do so.
Very
do so quickly.
We are telela. I'll repeat that. We are telela.
Honorable members, I think you have gone beyond the acceptable boundaries and you'll be dealt with appropriately. I request you to go.
We are not going to do anything.
Honorable member.
Nothing. We are telela.
At this stage, Mabuza had to deal with questions related to the bloated civil service and government's belt-tightening measures. He agreed government would need to cut jobs in the public sector.
As we look at our compensation of employees bill, it's a bill that cannot be sustained going forward. So it's important to look at stringent measures of belt tightening.
By the time he finished answering questions, at least 2 members of opposition parties were thrown out of the House for defying a presiding officer. Manilisi Tubase, SABC News, Parliament.